Alright, for the past few weeks you guys saw us talking about removing bats, and this is the midpoint to bat work. You see the bats have damaged, all that is bat guano. They damaged all this in here. You can see all the rub marks, so we're going to replace this soffit because it's all brown between the guano and the rub marks from the bats. So we'll show you a completed picture here when we're done, because our goal is to provide results and outcomes, and you'll be able to see the final product in a couple. So as the bats enter the home, they'll roost all up in that soffit, and a lot of times, like here, they're not able to get into the attic on this side because the stucco wall is going all the way up. So the bats were living in this section. Then the way the bat cone works is they all come out through there, and then they can't get back in because of the seal, and then they use their wings to climb, and then they can't grip the inside of that and get back in. So that's why there's no more bats in here. Alright, here you have a meal to grate. Doing the soffit, and that's the before and after. And then we even use white screws to go into the soffit instead of the nails. Wow, would you look at that? Just look at it. Nice. Alright, Florida Wildlife and Pest Management. So this house we sealed for bats. Then if you look at the other side, we use black foam. We backfill it with steel to prevent the bats from coming in. Now here's the final product. This is the outcome and the results. So we actually dye the concrete black so it can match into the black shingle to make the house look aesthetically pleasing.